And welcome to the Market Alert for Monday the 29th of August 2016. So, on Friday, we saw the market sideways waiting for Yellen to speak at the Jackson Hole Symposium. She eventually started to speak at 3 p.m. and then you can see the market's reaction here, nearly 100-point range with what she had to say, and then eventually the market moving higher, and then she sits down and the market then digests what she's actually said, and then we get a potential sell signal, which we see here coming into the market at 15:45. The market drives through the scalp and then on through the actual 18,500 level, and then continues on down. So at this point we can remove the scalp. We can also remove the stop loss. Once the market's gone through the scalp, move the stop to break even, and then you can just, with a 50% or 100% extension, just move the stop as the market makes these lower highs, and eventually you see the market stopping out the trade there with over 130 points profit on it just as it sold off. And then I sent a note out just after this saying expect the market to remain sideways and move back towards the upside, which is precisely what it did just before the close there. You can see the market moving back, attempting to move back. We're not coming back much at all, just over around 70 points from the lows there. In the daily chart, the most activity we've seen for a long time in this bar. Also a pickup in the volume as well, so with a bit of luck from Tuesday onwards we should start to see a lot more activity coming into this market. You can see there we've got this very sideways tight move in the market at the moment, and once this breaks out, which in my opinion is going to be to the downside because of the implied volatility, we will see a lot more momentum and volatility coming into the market. Speaking of which, 11:05 for Friday, so this definitely moving off those lows of 891 from the 19th of August, and again we need to see a pickup in the actual historic volatility. This actually making another low on Friday, so a slight delay there, whereas the implied volatility, as the name states, is implying the potential risk is increasing in this market, going up to 11:05 during the session there. News wise for Monday, let's just have a quick look and see what's going on. We've got Sunday today when I'm recording. Monday there's not a lot at all, and there's nothing out once the main session is actually in progress as well, so it may be a case of a sideways Monday, but hopefully from Tuesday when the European markets come back, or particularly the UK, we will see more activity in the market as well. So certainly on the final run now of the holiday silly season, whatever you want to call it, and looking forward to seeing more volatility and more trades like Fridays coming back into the market after what's been a very quiet time indeed during the summer trading season. So let's hope things improve from this point forward. Right, that's it for me. I'll see you in Tuesday's Market Alert. Otherwise, I might send out a note tomorrow afternoon as well. That'll be Monday afternoon if you can see anything happening. But like I say, don't expect too much. But if you do get a move, it's likely to continue in one direction. Alternatively, it will be much of what we've seen recently, where the market's sideways. But there may be still a bit more to come from Friday's statement by Yellen, and potentially her being forced into actually increasing rates in September. There have been murmurings of that, but let's just wait and see what happens. Right, that's it. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.